hold a book in your hands, you don't just see paper and ink. You see intention. You see that someone carefully chose every word, every chapter, and every color to have an effect on you. You naturally wonder about the person behind it. You know that the layout, the structure, and the very letters didn't just fall onto the page by accident. There was a designer. But what about the person holding the book? What about you? Is your design any less deliberate? Look at your own intricate organs. Think about the function of your eyes, capable of taking in the world in high definition. Think of your heart, which reacts and races when you are moved by a word or a thought. Consider the brain you are utilizing right now. It is faster and more powerful than any man-made computer ever built. It processes emotions, logic, and physical movement simultaneously. If a simple book requires a designer, how can a biological machine as complex as a human being be a product of random chance? We are walking masterpieces of engineering. Every human being has the capacity to sit, reflect, and come to the same conclusion. There must be one designer, one creator of this magnificent universe. This design isn't just in our bodies, it's in the very fabric of reality. Think about the laws of biology, chemistry, and physics that govern everything you do. From the force of gravity that keeps your feet on the ground to the precise structure of the atom, these elements have been tailored to make life possible. Look at the Earth within our solar system. If our rotation wasn't exactly correct, life would be unsustainable. If we were a fraction closer to the sun, we'd burn. A fraction further, we'd freeze. Did human beings set these laws into motion? Are we maintaining the precision of the elements? Of course not. This order suggests a command that is beyond us. Our solar system is just one of many. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, only one of an estimated 100 million galaxies. Yet, they are all in order. They are all precise. Instead of conflicting with one another, they are swimming along in orbits that have been set for them. Is it possible that a Big Bang could create such harmony without a designer to guide the explosion? Have those who disbelieve not considered that the heavens and earth were a joined entity, and we separated them and made from water every living thing? Then will they not believe? Quran Surah 21 verse 30. The Quran points to this origin, a joined entity that was separated. It challenges us to look at the very basic building block of life, water. The alternation of night and day isn't just a background event. It is a sign for those who are willing to understand. The sun, the moon, and the stars are subjected by his command. As the Quran states in chapter 16, verse 12, "Indeed, in that are signs for a people who reason. You are not an accident. The world you stand on is not a coincidence. Every atom and every galaxy is a testament to the one designer who brought it all into being." Next time you look at a book, or a star, or even into the mirror, remember the design. If you found this reflection helpful, share it with someone who is searching for answers. Don't forget to subscribe for more.